Learning Resources presents The Skillshop, how to register for a workshop. First visit www.mdc.edu/Skillshop and scroll down to the schedule area. This area displays the 5-week schedule organized by date of the workshop, title, time, and description. Click on one of the workshops. You will be redirected to the Search for Classes page. Look down at the Classes Found section and select the workshop that matches the date and time of your selection. This will add the workshop to the shopping cart. Again, select the workshop and click the Enroll in Selected Classes button. To register, you must sign in using your MDC login. Currently enrolled students click on the Sign In button. Everyone else click on Create New Account. First, let's show how to create a user account. Fill in all the required fields and click on Create Account. Then create a password and select a secret question and click on Create Username. If you get an error message, wait a minute and click on Create Username again. Notice the username is given to you here. Now back to register to a workshop. If you created an account, please go back to the Skillshop homepage and click on a workshop to resume the process. Click on the Sign In with Existing Account button. Then enter your username and password and click Sign In. At the shopping cart page, select the workshop and click on the Enroll in Selected Classes button. Success! You are now registered for the workshop. To register for more workshops, visit the Skillshop homepage and follow the same steps. You can view your registered workshops in the shopping cart and class schedule. To attend the workshop, 24 hours before the workshop date, log into www.mdc.blackboard.com using your MDC credentials and check the announcements for the workshop Zoom link.